Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record a prototype to a GIF file in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you want to share your interactive designs with clients or teammates who might not have Figma access, or when you simply need a quick visual demonstration of how your prototype flows. First, open your Figma application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to and open the project that contains the prototype you want to record as a GIF file. This could be any design file where you've set up interactive flows and transitions. Now, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a share button. Go ahead and click on it. From the options that appear, select Copy Link. This generates a shareable URL for your Figma project that we'll need in just a moment. The link is now stored in your clipboard and ready to use. Next, open your web browser and paste the link you just copied into the address bar. This will open your Figma project in the browser view, which is necessary for the screen recording process we're about to use. Once the project loads, you're ready to move forward. Now, open a new tab in your browser and search for gifcap.dev. This is a fantastic free tool specifically designed for recording screen activity and converting it directly into GIF files. It's browser-based, so there's no need to download any additional software. Once you're on the GIFCAP website, click on Start Recording. A screen sharing dialog will pop up, prompting you to choose what you want to record. Click on the Figma tab from your browser tabs, then click Share to begin the recording session. This tells GIFCAP exactly which tab to capture. Now comes the fun part. Go ahead and record your prototype by interacting with it just as you'd like it to appear in the final GIF. Click through your prototype screens, demonstrate the transitions, and showcase any interactive elements you've designed. Take your time here to ensure everything flows smoothly and looks exactly how you want it to appear. Once you're done recording your prototype demonstration, look at the top of your screen and click Stop Sharing. This ends the recording session and saves everything you just captured. Then, go back to the GIFCAP tab in your browser. Here you'll be able to watch your recorded prototype in full to review what you've captured. This preview lets you verify that everything was recorded correctly and that the flow looks good. If everything looks okay and you're satisfied with the recording, click Render. This process converts your screen recording into a GIF file format. You'll need to wait a moment while GIFCAP processes and renders your recording into the final GIF. This might take a few seconds depending on the length of your recording. Once the rendering is complete, click Download to save your GIF file to your computer. And that's it. You now have a shareable GIF file of your Figma prototype that you can easily attach to emails, embed in presentations, or share on messaging platforms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.